If you are a proud owner of a water heater, which I am, it's going to need some periodic maintenance. So let's go ahead and do this. So I've got an electric water heater and it has a valve on the bottom which you can actually drain the sediment. There's sediment collects at the bottom of this water heater and it needs to be flushed out every once in a while. So we are going to do that today. The first thing we need to do is to shut off the breaker going to the hot water heater. Water heater, it is off. The next thing you want to do is attach a hose to your drain valve and then run it outside or down the drain. My hose is going outside. My drain is underneath my water heater, so that's why I'm not draining it down the drain. Step 2, connect the hose. There's a couple different types right here. I just have a flathead screwdriver one where you twist it and it'll open the valve, or twist it and it'll close it. You might even have a ball valve that you don't need a screwdriver on. It just depends. Next, we're going to be turning off the hot water inlet. So the main is off. So now it has a little bit of pressure right here. We're going to release the pressure from here first. There it goes. Let's check this, see if we're getting any water coming out. Nothing yet. I also have a pressure relief valve I'm going to open. There we go. So the pressure relief valve is open. Maybe that'll help with the draining. Aha! Look at all that sediment coming out. That was the initial sediment that came out. And we'll just water the grass. So my water heater has been off since yesterday. I like to turn it off before I'm actually going to drain it because I don't want to drain 120 degree, 130 degree water out on my grass or anything. So I turned it off the night before. So what we can do now is, now that it's draining fairly slowly, we can actually turn the hot water back on and stir up the sediment that's in the bottom there and let it just flow out for the next 2 or 3 minutes. So we're just going to slowly turn this back on, our hot water side. Here we go. You can see it's kind of clogged. Stop going there for a second. I think we have a clog. There's that much sediment at the bottom of this. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to wait for the pressure to build up and hopefully it'll start spraying again. There we go. Look at all that. Initial, the sediment that came out, the clog bits. And we'll just kind of put this over here and keep it on for a couple minutes and see if we get any more. All right, it's been running for a few minutes. Looks clean. So we're gonna go ahead and turn everything off. I'm gonna shut off our hot water again. We're going to turn this to its off position. Now we can fill up the water heater again. Let's turn this back on. Let it fill up. All right, we've got full pressure on our hot water. Our pipes aren't making any noise. We can also see that our water softener is not softening any water. So everything's full up, everything's ready to go. Now we just turn on the breaker for the hot water heater again. And we should have some hot water in a couple hours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.